welcome to Lightwaves by Todderbert. If you enjoy reviews of flashlights, rechargeable lanterns, and other portable light sources, then make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to miss any of my most excellent videos. In front of us we have the Lumintop. This is the EDC01. It is a single AAA powered flashlight. Got this off Amazon for a total of $9.99, and it came in a simple white box, typical of this company. Check it out, Lumintop with a little bunny. EDC flashlight. I like my little pocket flashlights. This is awesome. A little bit of the box says here. And I was really happy with this one when I got it going. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what's inside the box. It looks like there's a foam tray. We can just take the whole tray out. There, box is empty. Alright, so instructions. Let's go over it real quick. I'll just put this right up here. Shows your low, medium, high modes. We'll go over those. A little bit about the operation. Some features. Again, we'll go over those. Battery usage, warnings, warranty. 5-year free repair. Not bad. Though for a $10 light, I doubt you'll send it in. Just buy another one. So there you go. And I think there's another languages in the back. Alright. Let's see what else we get. We get in this foam. I haven't really pulled this stuff out yet. We get a really cool, this is like a lantern mode. This goes on the front of the flashlight like this. And it acts as a diffuser for lantern mode. The flashlight stands up like a candle. It's pretty neat. Called candle mode, lantern mode. And this glows in the dark when the light's turned off. Nice little cap like that. And then I noticed there's like a little key ring or something here. So let's see what that is. Okay, so it looks like we got like a little carabiner style hook. Goes to your keychain. I like that for quick so you can take it on and off. And of course, key ring to attach to the flashlight. They give us 2 extra O-rings. Thing of beauty. Love that. And the little flashlight. It's so small. I love it. Really cool flashlight. We're going to get into it here. Let's see. Go down here. Let's go over some dimensions first. Go this way. Or if I get any closer. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. So we are 2 1/8 inch long, or 66 millimeters. We have a diameter of 9/16 of an inch, so just over ½ inch, or 14.5 millimeters. This weighs 12 grams without the battery. Pretty lightweight. I love it. Let's do a little size comparison. This is fun. I got some competitors here, so let's bring out its main competitor, the Fenix. This is the E05, and you can see for size. Yeah, these 2 lights really compete because they have similar brightnesses and similar color temperature too. Next, we have the O-Light. This is a single mode light. This only does 90 lumens. Of course, the Fenix is 3 modes, and of course, the Lumintop here is 3 modes. But I thought I'd show this to you. And looking at money, the Fenix is $20, Lumitop's 10, the O-Light's 10. And then we have an interesting little rival, and that's the Sofine C01S. It's a little bit bigger flashlight for a AAA powered one. You know, again, these are all AAA powered. There's a good little battery here, a AAA battery. They all run on AAA, but this Sofine is pretty neat because it's around $10.89, so about 89 cents more than the Lumintop. It has a warmer light, but only has 2 modes. But it has a clip too, which I find pretty handy. So, and we'll demo some of the lights together so you can see. And I think I have a AA battery. Just want to show you the for size comparison. These EBLs are really nice. I'll have links below to some of these flashlights and these batteries too. Definitely check them out. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that off. And then we're going to do some features here in a second. I just want to bring out my deck of cards so you can kind of see how big this is to a deck of cards. Yeah. Definitely quite the minuscule light, but it's got a lot of power to it. Really surprising. Alright, so let's talk about features of Lumintop EDC01. Okay, I'm really low to the camera here. It's just small light. On the front, if you can see, it's got a beaded hexagonal type pattern on the glass lens. And it's a TIR lens, which is total internal reflection lens for a balanced soft beam. Works really well, and you get to see those pictures in the garage in a moment. You'll see what I'm talking about. If you look, there's a little O-ring there around the glass lens, and it glows in the dark. It's a signature trademark of Lumintop. So when you run the light for a while, turn it off, you can find it in the dark because that'll be glowing, which is nice. The LED is an OSRAM LED. It's rated at 50,000 hours. I notice it has a really cool white to bluish tint to it. I'm going to say it's around a 6,500 Kelvin temperature, color temperature. The alloy here is aluminum, 6061 aircraft grade, and it's hard anodized Type 3 military finish. We're all used to seeing on lights like this. It's got a twist style mode switch here. So that's how you turn on the 3 different modes. It remembers the last setting, which I thought was really cool. I think the Fenix here, you turn this one on and it just starts in low. I think it always starts in low. But with this light, it remembers your last setting. So if you turn it on, set it to high, then turn it off. Next time you turn it back on, it goes to high. I really, really think that's awesome for a small light to have a memory mode. Let's see what we got here. So you got the aircraft grade aluminum. It's IPX68 rated, or IP68 or IPX8. They're similar. 2 meter submersion resistance for 30 minutes. It's a 1.5 meter drop resistance and a tail stands like I showed you earlier. I don't know if I can do it on my table here. There we go. Yeah, so tail stands and it's flat base to it. And of course the spot for hooking it to the keychain. And there you go. You can put this on a lanyard, hook it to a backpack. I think that's a pretty cool setup. And it's a really cool clip they give you too. So let's go ahead, set this down. We're going to go into the garage here, show some pictures. Took with this flashlight. Okay, this first picture, I'm aiming the flashlight 15 feet to the garage door. It's set on high. This is 120 lumens. It'll run for 30 minutes in this mode. Yeah, 30 hours would be great. 30 minutes. And it has a 37 meter throw at this high setting. Next picture, we're on medium. Very usable setting. This is 32 lumens. This will run for 4 hours on a single AAA. In this last picture, we're on low. This is 5 lumens, and this will run 36 hours. Yep, not a typo, 36 hours at 5 lumens. It's just a great, and it really is a nice light at this level. So let's go back to the table. So yeah, the Fenix here, its high is 85 lumens, its medium is 25 lumens, and its low is 8 lumens. And its max runtime is 14 hours at 8 lumens. So something to think about when you're pricing these out, when this is half the price, and when you see that they really don't have much of a difference, you might lean towards the Lumintop. So I'm already selling you on it. So let's go ahead and do a little demo. I'm going to do the Lumintop EDC01 in my right hand. We're going to do the Fenix in my left hand. And I'm going to have my cards here. I'm going to bring the camera up a little bit. We're going to turn the lights off. I'm going to set this on so we can put a battery in it. Yeah, that's right. So I like I said, using those high capacity EBLs. They're great batteries. You don't have to worry about leakage usually. There's the inside. Get an idea what it looks like in there. Okay, we'll drop that battery in. And I'll show you really quick the modes, and then we'll turn the lights off. So turn this on. So you'll do quick successions to go through the modes. So there's low, high, medium, low. There you go. And if you're on low, you turn it off. You wait a little bit, turn it back on. It'll be on low again. So it's a pretty neat setup. So we go to high, and we'll turn it off. Wait a little bit. I think it'll wait a few seconds for it to remember, and then turn it back on. And we're on high. So it remembers last setting. Very nice. Okay, turn the lights off. We'll do a little demo. You know what? I'm going to do the Sophine. This is really cool because this is a really good competitor to this light because it's only 89 cents more. And it has a really different color characteristic I think you'll like. So put that off to the side. The Olight, it's $10, one mode, 90 lumens. Some people like one mode lights. You just turn it on, you're ready to go. But with this one, you really don't have to worry about one mode because it remembers last setting. So it's like having a one mode light also with 2 additionals. But this one here, I don't have to really demo. I'm kind of leaning towards this light because they're the same price. All right, let's go turn the lights off. I should probably turn this on. Turn that medium. Okay. So we're going to start out, I'm going to put both lights on medium. All right, now, so my right hand is Lumintop, and my left hand is the Fenix E05. What I'll do is I'll bring them in and bring them back out. So you get a general idea of beam pattern and color temperature. If you look, the color temperature seems about equal. The beam pattern on the the E05 Fenix is a little tighter, and of course the Lumintop here on my right hand is a little softer and wider. If you notice that. Bringing them in, you can see the difference. in that beam pattern. There you go. All right, so gives you a general idea. Let's go ahead. I'm going to turn off the Fenix. We're going to do the Sophie next. This will be a neat one. So now we're going to go to this one. This one has high and low, so we'll go to high. We're on high there. I'm going to go ahead and turn this guy to high. There we are. So they're both on high. If you notice, the Sophie in my left hand, the C01S, has a nice warm tint to it. That's a really cool light, high CRI index, so your color is not as blue. You notice it's kind of a blue with you got your nice warm tones coming out of this light here on high. Let me bring it up a little higher. There you go. You can kind of see the differences right there. And the beams are sort of similar. I think it's a little tighter beam on the, Sophine's a tighter beam. All right, let's go ahead and turn that off, and we'll turn the lights back on and do final thoughts. Set that down. Turn this light on. All right. The Lumintop EDC01. Is it a winner? Yes. This little guy is great. For $9.99, I've done the Lumintop tool, the AA version, which is a winner too for the money. I think it's like $19. That's a rockin' flashlight it's a AA powered. And it also runs on I think a 14500 cell. This one here only runs on a AAA battery, standard nickel metal hydride or alkaline, not the lithium, but still amazing power for such a little light. Loving this. I'm going to set this back down here. Zoom it on down. So let's bring in its competitors again and give you some reasons why you choose which one. So, all right. So its biggest competitor is the Fenix E05. Just remembering all these zeros. Love it. Biggest competitor is this light because they're very similar with run times. You get 120 here, you're getting 85 lumens here, 30 minutes of runtime, 1 hour of runtime. So the Fenix, it gets a little extra runtime because a little lower lumens. On medium, the Fenix is 25 lumens, 4 hours. This is 32 lumens, 4 hours, so it gets an edge. And then the low, 8 lumens for 14 hours, 5 lumens for 36 hours. So it gives you a huge difference there. EDC, I think, is the winner all day long. Then you got the Sophie. This has a high mode of 100 lumens, and it runs for an hour and a half at the 100 lumens. And on 3 lumens, it's low mode. It runs for 25 hours. Gives you an idea for there. And of course, then you have your single mode, 90 lumen, 45 minutes on the Olight i3E, if you're wondering about that flashlight. Because some people just want one single mode. They don't want to fuss. And that's a good one for that. So there you go. The Lumintop EDC01 gets a recommended buy all day long. Hopefully this video helped you choose out a cool single AAA powered flashlight. I think these are awesome because these batteries, you can run them in anything. You can take them out, put them in your weather radios, because I know I have some small little weather radios that run on AAAs, and then vice versa. You can take them out and use them in the flashlights. So a good setup. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the Lumintop brand, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Get notified of future videos. And of course, comment below what you think about the EDC01 Lumintop. Would this be a consideration for $9.99? I think it would be me, definitely. Just well made. Again, I think this is one of my favorite brands right now of flashlights. I reviewed quite a few: Fenix, Olight, Icor. And this, just every time I do one of the Lumitops, I get excited because they have useful modes, well built, practical for most tasks. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.